Secure folder missing on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or Plus? Don't worry, it's not gone, it's just hidden. Let me show you how to bring it back in seconds. So from your home screen or app screen, you might notice there's no secure folder. Even if you search for it, it's completely missing, which can be really frustrating. To fix this, open up Settings first, then go to Security and Privacy. Scroll down to More Security Settings. Tap on Secure Folder. Now you'll see an option to Show Secure Folder. Turn it on, then enter your secure folder PIN, password, or pattern, whatever you use. Once that's done, go back to your home screen or app drawer, and you'll see Secure Folder is back again. And lastly, if you ever want to hide it again, just open Secure Folder, tap the three dots, select Hide Secure Folder, and confirm. That's it. Quick and easy. Hope this guide helps. Thanks for your time.